Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. So we'll just get started in a few. We'll get started in a few. Okay, let's get started. Daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame has today. So this is the daily week. I'm just watching that week. I'm just watching to see how we're trading on that week. I don't have a lot of focus on the daily time frame. I'll drop down to the hourly time frame. We have a set of buy side liquidity up here. We have a set of buy side liquidity up there. Then we have a set of sell side liquidity down there. So that's sell side, and we have a closer sell side, which is that one. Sell side liquidity. Let's go ahead, mark our opening prices. So the opening prices, we always mark the midnight open, 8:30 open, and then we'll go and see the opening range gap for today. So 8:45, 8:30 open. So that's your 8:30 open. Your midnight open comes, so 12:00, that one. That's your midnight open. Then 8:30 open. And 15 minutes. So what can we see in the 15 minutes? I'll just take this off. This is yesterday's opening range gap. 15 minutes, we have that sell side liquidity in place. Then we have that buy side also in place. We have equal lows down here. And I think I'll be favoring these sell side, or rather, that's the sell side that I'm gonna watch. These overnight lows, overnight highs comes at 8:00. And then 5 minutes, let's have a look at the regular trading hours. So we've got higher. So that's our close of yesterday's trading, and then open of today 9:30. Opening range gap, and the dates today is it 25th, 2503. So I'll just be watching that. make it a bit fade so I don't have a lot of drawings. Yep, so we gapped higher. We gapped higher, we're above the 830 open, we're above the midnight open, trifecta in play. That's the trifecta in play. Then we have sell side, buy side. Let's have a look at the other indices. S&P. High, low. Just still there at the open. Dow was taking its high. So that's something I'm watching. That's something I'm watching. Dollar index going higher. That's significant. So I'll be favoring lower prices in Nasdaq this morning. And I'll just go ahead and connect my broker. I'll have a look at that just in a second. So I'll be favoring lower prices, but I want to see if we can run some sort of buy side. Yeah. Then after that, I'll be waiting to see if we can navigate lower, because we gapped higher this morning, and we'll have 8:30 beneath us, we have minutes open beneath us, so we'll be reaching premium. But yeah, I'll just be waiting for the run the buy side, then see if we can start navigating lower. But if it just wants to run and run and run and run, that's okay. I'll just watch. So I was just checking my password. No. Yeah, for some reasons I input the wrong password. I don't know how that happened. So we have S&P taking out that high as well. Buy side liquidity. So S&P and Dow has taken out that buy side liquidity, but I'm waiting to see if Nasdaq can take that buy side liquidity, or we're gonna have some sort of SMT. But yeah, let's wait and see. Dollar index is still there, and I've taken out that buy side. Yeah, just wait and see. It's a game of wait and see, wait and watch. So I'm just watching my other tabs to see the opening range gaps. We're trading on some sort of opening range gap. We have a lot of opening range gaps up here, but today we gapped higher, so I'm waiting to see if we can at least look into filling a portion of that today's opening range gap. So Dow Jones starting to navigate low, S&P starting to navigate low, I'm waiting to see if Nasdaq wants is making a sort of SMT. So that's some sort of SMT. So I was just looking at the regular trading hours. They didn't take that high. I would wish that high to be taken, but they did not take that high. So I'm not a big fan of this. I'm not a big fan of this price action, but uh, nonetheless, we took out that buy side in S&P and the Dow, so that's some sort of SMT in play. But I'm not a big fan of all this price action, all these big wicks. I'm watching it from the side. But if I'm gonna execute, I'm gonna definitely favor lower prices. But I have to sit tight and watch, wait and see. Yeah, they can send it slow. I don't care because I was waiting for it to come back, but yeah. Don't chase the prize. If it goes, just let it go. Wait tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna come. You're gonna get another setup, so don't chase the prize. But yeah, I was favoring lower prices. Reason is that um, we gapped higher. We're above the 8:30 open, above the minute open, and yeah. So I was looking to see if we could fill this opening range gap, at least the upper quadrants, or rather the consequent encroachment. But yeah, so there was an SMT. Nasdaq did not take out its high, as you can see. But S&P took out that high. Um, Dow Jones took out that high. So and the dollar index looks bullish but quite weak. Yeah, so I'm just sideline watching. If if it leaves without you, that's okay. Just sit and watch. It's not a must you engage. Sometimes just take it and sometimes it's good for learning. Separate and learn. Separate and learn. It's not a must you push buttons every day. Yeah. So I'll just be muted, but I'll just be watching the. I'll just be watching, but I'll just be muted. So the Nasdaq tearing low, that's okay. It's not a must to catch every move, guys. Sometimes it will just leave you, and that's okay. But yeah, that's what I was looking for. But we just did not take out that buy side, so I was hands off. I was hands off today. If we could check that buy side, I could engage. But there was an SMT from S&P and Dow. Um, the dollar index is struggling its way up. Yeah, so the move has already happened, and there is nothing much that I'm gonna do in this session. Just watch and take a lesson. Yeah, learn. I've saved myself from a lot of drawdown and losses or consolidation markets, because when sometimes the market does not take this high, and if you can see the Nasdaq in a daily time frame, we don't have any clear direction. It's just a lot of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. High wicks. There's a dodgy candle for yesterday, so it's not so clear. So I'm demanding more price action before I engage this market. Before I engage any market of the dollar index, I'm demanding more price action. But yeah. So it's gonna be a short live stream today, and we're gonna end here. So no trade for today, but at least we've learned something, and yeah, I wanted, or I was favoring lower prices. That has happened, but I have not engaged in it. I haven't been engaged in that move. Why? Because I set the standards before. I said that I was waiting for this buy side to be taken, or some sort of buy side to be taken before it got lower. But that buy side, like this buy side even, so that buy side still intact. So I'm happy to see it run. I'm happy to see it. I'm happy to tape trade. Tomorrow is another day, and we'll come find setups. Yeah. Otherwise, for those who are trading, for those who are still trading, I wish you best of luck. For those who are done with the day, good for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.